Matt and Hugo tried to think of things to put in the cake. We could put eggs, strawberry jam, and lots of butter and milk in it, Hugo said. What else can we put in it? Harry asked. We can put flour, honey, mangoes, and brown sugar in it too, Matt said. Okay, that's 8 different things. What else? Harry asked again. How about some kiwi juice, apples, coffee, carrots, and chocolate, and a little pepper too, said a child who suddenly appeared in the kitchen. Harry didn't know her, but she looked kind and friendly. Thank you, he said. Those are wonderful ideas. Soon they had 49 different kinds of food on the table. Matt and Hugo began to mix everything together